This is an explanation of how to work a ring-style shower diverter. A ring-style shower diverter has a ring that you pull down to make the water go up. To demonstrate, turn on the water, pull down, and the shower head begins to flow. To turn the shower off, turn off the water. The remnants will drain out through the ring.